This video will show you how to generate profile information. Let's put some points here. Let's generate basically path. So suppose we want to get a profile from that point here to this point. Add path. So I've added 2 points here, point 1 here and point 2 here, using shift left click, and I would like to get profile curves along this path here. Let me take it out here a bit, and this one out. Okay, so hover over this path and then press space bar and give show profile. Show profile. So it will generate the profile data. It will ask you whether you want to save it in a text file. Let's save it in a text file. Profile.text, and this is the profile data. You can add a caption here. So let me just turn on the points. So hover over the path and again press N to display the point numbers. So this is 0.0 and 0.1, and this is the profile data for that path. This is 0.0 and this is 0.1. So if I just press and then rotate it 180 degrees to see the okay, and then this is just to confirm the profile that we have got. So this is the profile here. So we start here, there is a slight bump here somewhere here, and then a big bump here. This is the solid part here, and then empty space here, and then big block here, and then empty space again. I can save this image and you put the caption here, and then you can save the image. Now let's take the same profile path and then use show profile, but now instead of just going one voxel for the line, so single voxel line, let's put a tube around this path here, and then let's try to get the profile along that tube. So let's say, for example, put a tube of 5 voxel. So what it will do is basically take an average over the 5 voxels. So here's the profile text. So this time we won't save any profile text, and this is the curve that you get. That's the maximum value along the tube, and that's the minimum value along the tube, and this is the average of the profile data along the tube. Now let's have a look at the profile data that we generated. This is how the data is dumped. So this is the index of the point. These are the coordinates along at which the value was taken, and this is the exact value for the profile data. So this can be now imported into your Excel worksheet, and then you can process it further. Now instead of straight line, for example, you want to generate profile along a curve. So you can generate the curve. Say, let me put the points here, and here, and give path. So this is the curve along which I'll be generating. So let me just move this bit down here. This is the curve along which we want to generate the profile information. Let's first smooth it. Say, so this is a curve path here. Let me just turn on the numbers by pressing N. N toggles the numbers. So these are the numbers here of these points that we have added. Now let us generate the profile information. So again, show profile, and let's generate the profile for this curve, and this is the profile curve here. So these are the points 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, and that's the profile curve for this particular path. So you can get profile information along a straight line or along a curved path, depending upon your sample, depending upon your requirements. You can use a straight line, basically shooting array and collecting the information, or along a curved path, or having an averaged profile information along a tube on the path.